Ace Designers Ltd recently underwent an amalgamation with Ace Manufacturing System and Micromatic Machine Tools. Also, the company has received a strategic investment from Kotak Alternate Asset Managers. Let's hear it out from Mr. Amit Goel from the floor of Delhi Machine Tools Expo 2025 about how these developments are going to strengthen the company's position in the market. Sir, thank you so much for joining us. Ace Designers Ltd recently underwent a significant amalgamation with Ace Manufacturing Systems and Micromatic Machine Tools. So, sir, could you walk us through the strategic vision behind this integration and what it means for the future of the unified entity that is Ace Designers Ltd?
We were all together earlier also. Like Ace Designers Ltd was started in 1979 somewhere. And then after that, AMS also come into picture. And Micromatic Machine Tools, who was looking after the marketing division, marketing and servicing of those products last year. So what we have thought about it, like if you work in three different dimensions, like AC is working one, AMS is also working, or Micromatic is also there. By amalgamating, what we have done is we become one, and the entire turnover of the group of this amalgamation will become some 2,400 crores that we are expecting this year. So with that, what is happening? You know, when we are together, we have more impact on that.
Right.
Our entire PVMV, like you got it, a purpose, vision, mission, and the value statements. That also we aligned together, so that the entire focus of the entire group should be one. So, like if you see that our mission, what we are targeted for some 2029 is around some 1 billion. It is not possible if you are working in an individual forum, and now the thing has happened that we got amalgamated. You see, AMS was amalgamated in October at 2024. Now Micromatic Machine Tools has also come up. So we call it as the Ace Designers Ltd, the entire company. So TCD meant for a turning center division, or MCD called for a machining center division, and we, the Micromatic Machine Tools, which has been called as a MSD. We are the minus only basically. You say that it is marketing and service division.
That's a Talaiva statement, sir. So with this consolidation, Ace Designers Ltd has emerged as India's largest manufacturers of CNC machines today, and especially in the turning centers and machining centers. So what are the immediate priorities you have in place, and what are the growth plans post amalgamation?
You see, India is a very big market, and we are only doing very good in as far as the turnings are concerned and VMCs are concerned. We are the largest manufacturer of turning machines and the VMC machines in past. So we have a capacity to make some 8,000 machines, turning centers today, and 3,400, 500 machines as the VMCs. Going forward, we will be making some 10,000 machines in turning and VMCs. That is what the vision we have. It is only possible when we are becoming one today. So there will be a lot of product changes. What we are making today, we will rationalize all the products. We will compete with the global standards, global market also. You will see a lot of changes coming up.
By 2029, you are going to make 10,000 turning machines. That's the target you are setting. That's a huge target, sir. And what is the current number as of now?
We sold some 5,500 machines.
5,500. So, and do you see the market for 10,000 machines today? And it is much bigger than that.
No, we are expecting some 25% of our entire production from the export market also. That is what also we are planning. Export also we are catering into. So by amalgamation, that is also one more vision that we have.
So, any particular market you have shortlisted?
We are already in China, South Asia, and we are Mexico that we are targeting in that.
A recent strategic investment by Kotak Alternate Asset Managers is a major development what we saw during the past 1 month or so. How does this investment or partnership going to help or strengthen your company's positioning in the market?
You need funds basically to grow. So we thanks Kotak that to choose us as a strategic partner. So by this, what will happen? Like we will be coming up with some new plants in machinery investments, the other machinery that we are going to invest, and the product portfolio also we are going to change. And there are possibilities that we have to compete with the global market. So there will be a different division of machines for the global standards also that we are going ahead in that. So the entire purpose of this is to increase our global footprint and to increase our capacities to make that one and to change our entire product line. That is what the main purpose of amalgamation.
And what is the investment Kotak has made, 1200 crores, and how we're going to utilize it in a particular area that we are going to invest, like increasing your footprint or?
Like I told you that some money will be invested in the R&Ds, new plants are on the card that we are going to make, and there are strategic decisions for the technologies and all those things that we are going to invest. And even you see that we are working on AI also. Like we will be investing some money into the remote control of the machines going forward. Like from there also we can look into that.
So here now at DMTX 2025, what are the new innovations you are bringing in, and what are the message you are going to send it to the industry, because this is happening right after the amalgamation and getting, of course, 1200 crore of investment from Kotak.
Right, I can only say that the more to come. Some has come already and more to come. Wait and watch where we are going at, and the things will be visible in a span of a year or so, at where we are going ahead. Those things are, we are working together, and on that we are, you will see the changes and you will see the technology and you will see how we are going ahead in that. A lot of things are on the cards.
Any message you have for the market of North India? That is a target what you keep when you participate in DMT?
We have displayed a lot of machines here, and people they know us very. We have expanded our footprint in the entire North region. If you say that we have 4 branches, then 5 franchises are there, dealers are there, and we are also expanding our. We are trying to get it into the warehouses, because the things are many times the machines are required on urgent basis. So we will be going ahead for some warehouses, square outlets and all. These are all things that we are going to give for the customer satisfactions, and giving the more uptime and make the customer happy. We have displayed a lot of machines here, starting from the simulator. The simulator is basically used for a training purpose for the industry as well as the institutes. That is what we have displayed here. And some components we have displayed for the 3D printing machines. And you can see a smaller DTC machine, which is a very compact 1.1 meter footprint that we have displayed with a 10,000 RPM. One machine we are showing here for a die mold application. If you take it behind, there is a machine which is for a terminal center that also we have displayed. One polygon turning machine that we have displayed, and one grinding is here, and a small HMC. That is how we have displayed.
Thank you so much, sir, for sharing insights on the Ace Designers Ltd, and not only for its company but for the entire manufacturing ecosystem in India. Great talking to you, sir, and wish you all the best.
Thank you so much.